Hello, my name is Caesar,
My name is Anthony.
and today we're going to be working with volume formulas. All right, to find the volume of this rectangular solid, you have to use the formula for it. It's pretty simple: length times width times height, and then the volume for that, it's going to end up being 6,000. And to find the surface area for this rectangular solid, you first have to find the surface area for both the sides, the top and bottom, and the other sides too. So like for instance, the top is gonna be 10 and 20, so that's gonna be one side, and then the other gonna be the other side. You add all of the surface areas, and then you end up getting the surface area of this rectangular solid. And then for this, you're gonna end up getting 1,600. And one key thing to remember for the volume formula for a pyramid is that the B actually stands for the surface area of the base. So you first have to find the surface area of the base before you move on to anything else. So it's gonna be 32, and then you plug it in. It's going to be 74.66 kilometers cubed. You do the same thing for B. You find the surface area for the base. It's going to be 7 times 7. Just get the other R, might as well. 81.66 is going to be your answer. Yards squared. All right, for C, it's the same thing as A and B, but since it's a triangle, you're gonna use the area formula for a triangle, which is base times height 1/2. And then for the area for that base, it's gonna end up being 6. It's gonna end up being 6.
It's 4. Oops.
It's all right.
It's 4.
6. And then once that, you plug it into the equation. It's gonna be 6 centimeters cubed. All right, the volume of the cylinder is actually pretty simple because all you have to do is just plug and chug in the formula. So to just give you an example, for A, it's gonna be pi times 9 squared, since it's the radius, times the height, which is gonna end up being 1,780.4 yards cubed. All right, so you do the same thing for B.
But it would be 5.
Yeah, it would be 5 since that's half of the yards. Pi times the height 8. It's gonna be 628 yards cubed. Yeah. Journal assignment. All right, for number 1, you would first have to remember the volume of a rectangular solid. So it's going to be length times width times height. You use that to find the volume. And then to find the surface area, you find the surface area of both the tops, the bottom, the sides, and the other sides. and then you add all of the surface areas together to find the surface area of the box. And also for number 2, volume of a pyramid, you got to remember that B is actually the surface area of the base. So you have to first find the area of the base. Then you go on and plug it into the volume formula to the pyramid. Then for number 3, you use plug and chug, really. It's a pretty simple equation to use. That's about it. Gracias.
I don't know, Archimex. So.
I really don't know how. All right.